Hello, and welcome to our video on Achieve Optimal Health. 10 Tips for Living a Long and Vibrant Life. We all want to live a long and healthy life, but with so much conflicting information out there, it can be hard to know where to start. That's why we've compiled a list of 10 proven tips that can help you achieve optimal health and live a long, vibrant life. Tip number 1. Eat a balanced diet. A diet that is rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein can help protect against chronic diseases and keep your body functioning at its best. Tip number 2. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity can help improve your cardiovascular health, lower your risk of chronic diseases, and improve your overall quality of life. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise, such as brisk walking, 5 days a week. Tip number 3. Get enough sleep. Sleep is essential for good health and well-being. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night, and try to maintain a consistent sleep schedule. Tip number 4. Manage stress. Chronic stress can have a negative impact on your physical and mental health, so it's important to find ways to manage it. This can include things like meditation, yoga, or even just taking a walk outside. Tip number 5. Limit alcohol and tobacco use. Excessive alcohol and tobacco use can increase your risk of chronic diseases and negatively impact your overall health. Tip number 6. Take care of your mental health. Mental health is just as important as physical health. Take care of your mental well-being by seeking help if you need it, and finding healthy ways to cope with stress. Tip number 7. Stay informed about your health. Keep up to date on your health screenings and checkups, and be proactive about managing any health issues that may arise. Tip number 8. Stay socially connected. Having a strong support system can help improve your mental and physical health, so make sure to stay connected with loved ones and friends. Tip number 9. Take care of your skin. Your skin is your body's largest organ, and it's important to take care of it. Wear sunscreen and moisturize to help protect your skin from damage and aging. Tip number 10. Keep learning. Lifelong learning can improve cognitive function and keep your mind active and engaged. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you can take control of your health and live a long, vibrant life. Remember, it's never too late to start taking care of your health, so start today and enjoy the benefits for many years to come. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great tips and information on living a healthy lifestyle.